Actually, we probably should put that in there so we don't get the...
How wet did you get it, Joe?
It's, yeah.
Is it pretty wet? Will it still go off, do you think?
That's why the wadding's in there. You want to do it?
Jalen, don't push Grandpa's fence down.
Keep going. A little farther. Alright. That's good. Pull it out.
What did you use as wadding? Just the debris, leaves and stuff? Oh, the plastic bags.
I have a wet sock. It's going to go like... Guys, don't do a wet sock because I'm not catching it.
Yeah, don't catch a wet sock. That'll be gross.
Huh? Okay, I'm going to catch a wet sock.
It's either size pretty much.
What is that?
What do you spray it with?
He's using lithium grease, but I always thought starter fluid worked best. Ready? Oh no, not a god.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Uh-oh.
Oh no, roof.
Oh, no.
The socks are so hot!
Shh.
Got a sock on it now.
A wet sock at that.